Hello YouTubers, this is a Windsor and Browne, I'm pretty sure it's Windsor Browne, hugger ceiling fan from the 80s or the 90s. And tonight we have, um, we have, the ceiling fan has 3 Pentagon shaped globes, which are very rare and hard to find on most older ceiling fans. I got I got I got the Pentagon globes off eBay recently, and they're not they're not original to the ceiling fan, nor is the light kit. I bought the light kit like 2 years ago at a at at a restore or a shop, and the pull chains aren't original either. This is a wooden ball, which I got from my grandma, which was on her old ceiling fan in her dining room, as were the Pentagon-shaped globes, and this ball, which used to be in my grandma's kitchen, and we'll start on high. It blows a very good amount of air, and medium. Turn on medium, and now the ceiling fan doesn't blow as quite as much air as it did on high, but it's still pretty cool. And we'll put on low. And that, and I'll turn it off. And I hope you like this video and watch some of the other videos I make on YouTube.